prime factorization to find the LCM is sometimes a very lengthy process. So today we are going to learn some techniques to find LCM very quickly. I'll discuss three methods. First, when the numbers don't have any common factors. So let us take one example, 13 and 14. As they don't have any common factors, the LCM will simply be the product of the two numbers, that is equal to 182. This method can be used for any number of terms, like for three numbers also, 3, 5, 16. No two of them have a common factor, so again the LCM will be the product of these three numbers, that comes out to be 240. So isn't it easy? So now tell me, what would be the LCM of 14 and 9? Yes, you're right, it will be 126. And can you guess the LCM of 25 and 36? They again don't have any common factor, so LCM will be equal to 900. Now what to do when one number divides the other, means one number is a factor of the other. Let's see with the help of some examples. Suppose we take 2 and 14. So you can see that the smaller number 2 is dividing 14 completely. It means 2 doesn't have any contribution in the LCM, so the LCM will be equal to 14. Another example, 12 and 108. 12 divides 108, so 12 doesn't have any contribution and LCM is again 108. This can be applied for more than two terms also. The smallest number here is 3. If 3 divides any of the other numbers, we'll just cross 3. And now we are left with 9 and 45. If 9 also divides 45, we will again cross 9. So the LCM is 45. Interesting, isn't it? Let's see one more example. Here we have four numbers. So we will start with the smallest number. First we'll cross 4 because it divides 20. Same way we'll cross 5 because it divides 20. So now the smaller number 20 again divides 200. So LCM is 200. Isn't it much faster than the prime factorization? Now we'll take up another case when the numbers are containing common factors. So what we are going to do here, we will be finding the highest common factor or the largest number which divides both of them. If you take 12 and 14, the largest number which divides both of them is, you're right, it is 2. We will cancel one of these numbers by 2 and so I get here 7. So the LCM will be the product of 12 and 7. That is 84. Let's try with another example, 15 and 9. The largest number which divides both of them is 3. I can cancel any one of these two numbers by 3. So if I cancel 15, I'll get 5 here. And hence the LCM would be 5 into 9, that is equal to 45. We can apply this method for more than two numbers also. If we have 14, 10 and 8, the greatest number which divides all of them is again 2. We have to cancel all numbers except 1. So cancelling 14 by 2 I get 7, cancelling 10 by 2 I get 5. And now if you see, these three numbers don't have any common factor. So I am actually applying all the three methods together. As no common factors are left, the product will be the LCM. Therefore, LCM is 280. Please note that we have to apply one or two or all the three methods sometimes depending on the question. Like if I had still left some common factors here, maybe the first or second number have a common factor, say 2 again. So I will again divide one of them by 2 and then the remaining numbers would be multiplied to get the final LCM. So let's take one more example. As there are four numbers here, now I'll show you how we can apply each of the methods here. So I'll first start with the smallest number here and see that does it divide any of the other numbers. So if you look at 3, 3 divides 30. So I'm going to cross it because it doesn't have any contribution in the LCM. Next I move on to the next number which is smallest, that is 5. So 5 also divides 30 or 25. So I will again cross 5. So I have applied one method here Now I am left with 25 and 30, so I got to check again that whether they have any common factor or not. As they have a common factor, I will find the highest common factor or the largest number which divides both. Yes, you're right, the largest number is 5. So I'm going to divide any one of them by 5. Let us divide 30 by 5, so I get here 6. Now 25 and 6 have no common factors, so the product of these two numbers is the LCM. Therefore, LCM is equal to 150. So hope you like these methods. If you like my videos and want more such informative videos, you can comment in the comment box and also like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.